that little orange there?
Oh, you like the? Oh, he likes the orange.
The orange is so.
I'm like, is it ugly?
What?
Matches
Who doesn't
your
like
hat.
it?
No, I was just
Matches
questioning
your
it.
hat.
Oh, it's good, man.
Thanks.
And with the hat too. Yeah.
That's true. I gotta wear orange all the time now.
Yeah. Orange your favorite color.
Orange is the new black.
Luckily, I like orange as a thing to wear, a color to wear.
You need to get an orange scarf for winter.
Ooh.
I think you would.
All right, cool.
It's going deep.
You look so hipster with the scarf.
Orange scarf. That's so hipster.
Orange sweater.
No, scarf.
Oh, orange sweater.
Orange sweater, I think, is more gangster than anything else.
I know it is. It's kind of orange and yellows and stuff.
Yeah.
Black and yellow.
Okay,
Plus this is echo.
So I thought black and gold is the gold on my watch. Amanda's cutting in. Colin's looking.
Amanda, come on, you got it.
Backhand net.
So shy.
Really hard target. Chick passes it off to White Hat. Oops. Someone called melt. I like
melt
it.
up.
Very good melt.
Colin was yelling melt.
Good, Colin. Way to command that field.
Hey.
Yeah, it seems like the defense.
Nice.
Seems like the D is working with the melt by Colin. I commend you for
Melt
that. That's the Captain Crunch
And then here comes
Come
the
back.
hammer.
melt of the game.
Malted melt.
Oh, very nice. That was all Colin's that forced that throw.
Very nice. The Hambros approve. And Colin's handling again. Say it, get in there. Yeah, say it. Yeah. It up.
No, 10 minutes I think he said.
It's 9:23. We're gonna have last point any second.
Oh, Colin.
Now's the time to try.
Yes. Nice try, Colin.
Now's the time
To Colin. Try to flatten out your throw. You got it.
No, I know he can throw it. We were actually practicing.
Yeah, Amanda.
Big Dikembe Mutombo block there.
Amanda's getting in on the Joey feast. She's like, I can't be the only one blocking. Colin calls the melt on one end.
Keep going. Keep going.
Pull it back.
Pull it back. Caught it.
Yeah, I know. It was not in.
Stink.
Nodding doesn't mean pull.
Not everybody. Not everybody.
Good. You're awesome.
Nice caught, Amanda.
Nice, Amanda.
Nice caught.
Jawohl.
Colin, that was
That was a good catch.
I didn't see you.
start of the line there.
The new score is 12-3.
Woot.